Good morning, everybody. Pro Trader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading. Hope everyone had a wonderful evening last night. We're going to have an amazing trading day today. Why? We do that every single day. Plus, special on the show, we've got some new traders in the chat room taking the MOJO University courses, especially learning how to read level 2, which is a must for any trader. Have some good questions about level 2 I'll answer today as well. One of my traders in the room was trying to get some of that Emax and ran into the problem where you're trying to buy $50 worth of the coin, but the fee is $175 and you're like, what? I'm going to show you how to do that with the Uniswap and get around that action. So let's head over to the chat room, say hello to the team. Morning, Oliver and Steve-O. What's up? Almost messed me up this morning with that futures, man. I was looking. Oh, that's at 11 a.m. Oh, my gosh. Dude, I was like, I took a loss, especially at 8:30, at 8:41. Oh, my gosh. Because I thought it was at 8:30 a.m. I didn't see the 11. Oh, my gosh. I'm so silly. So now I got to make back a loss this morning. We only do the Heinz trade play in the room. Looking for the whole number moves on all these stocks, and that's what the level 2 is all about, guys. I'm going to show you right now this morning. Caitlin, Pro Trader Fuse, if you're watching and listening. I'm not sure if you're listening, but I guess you can watch it later. You have a lot of stocks right now. It doesn't work on the ETFs like UVXY and SQQ because the numbers in the level 2 are always even. 1395 by 2133. You rarely see an extraordinary large number showing you an indication of which way it's going to move versus stocks that are on the gainers list like this NTRB. See the 25. You're trying to find the biggest 1081 to 25. It's right. That's not a really big signal. He's probably trying to sit there on the ass to buy some on the bid because it's going to go higher. He knows it's going to go higher, so he puts out a large ask, gets on the bid and buys. So the large ask is bullish because he's a buyer. He's putting out a large ask just to buy on the bid. Then he's going to get out of the way. Okay? Get all that stuff, and then it's going to go higher through. So a large ask is bullish. A big bid is bearish. It's the opposite of human nature. That's why most traders lose. It's like in bowling. See, it went through 1085, 1090. I told you. Did you see that? Pro Trader Fuse right on the screen. It's like in bowling. In order to throw a strike, you have to throw it in the right gutter with spin and curve it back to the left. Most people can't do that. In golf, a small percentage of good golfers hit the ball from right to left with a draw. That's the preferred shot of a really good player. Look at the size on the bid now, 592. You see him jump up there at 1092. He's going to get filled, but he didn't hide the order too well. See him 591 on the bid. He's going to get filled. It's going to go lower. Watch. Now he's on the ask selling at 93 from what he bought up there, you see? And now it's going to go low. See how it went under 90 to 80? It went right lower from the big bid of 590. So it shows you how you can get really good entries and exits, and doing this live, of course. This is a great instructional video. Boom, there she goes, Heinz in 11. Now, see if there's another big number coming up. Nope. So that's how they do that. It's all algorithms and computers at work. So in the golf, you have to, in order to hit the draw, you have to hit it to the right and bring it back to the left. Most people hit a slice or can't hit a draw, so why would they want to aim to the direction that they're missing it? It's opposite of human nature. No one does it. See the 96? at 84. It's going to go through that 96 now. You see the signal at 96, the 84, and nothing on. So this is how you read the level. See them 85? It's going to go through right now. See that? So we'll buy 500 at 90. Go through that 96. See, there it is, 96, right through. Told you, watch. See the 75? How they bring it up towards that number? There it goes. There's another number at 96, a 76. See them? That's bullish, guys. So you want to buy in anticipation of going through that. And if you're wrong, just get out. If you're right, you got a big winner. So you want to also see how far it's come up the block. So you see how this has come from $8 all the way up without stopping. So it's come very, very far. The reward has been like squeezed out of it. It's like going down the street and seeing a lemon, you know, on the street, and you want to get, it's already been squeezed. Yeah, you could probably get a little bit more out of it, but it's already been, you want to find a fresh lemon that you could squeeze, or an orange, and bam, you know what I'm saying? I saw this video yesterday of this hippopotamus eating a watermelon. He's like, oh. In one bite, he ate the whole watermelon. Wow. And he went, oh, and loved it. That's what I'm going to do at 10.99. Push another 500 into this NTRB. Actually, I'm out of it. So let's look for some more signals in the level 2s. This one right here has none. There's no big numbers. 820 by 22 showing you direction of which way it's going. There's a 17 by a 17 on Palt. Let's look at DATS. DATS has a signal at 75 and right there, so it's a little bullish. Wish. Big bids going lower. See the 43, the 34 going lower. Clove, the $8, the 124, it's going to $8. AMC, 82 on the bid, going lower than 35. GME, a big stock, nothing. It's got no big numbers, all zeros, nothing more than a 5. So when a big number comes up, that's the direction that it's going to go. And what they're doing is the market makers are communicating between themselves. In the old day, they used to be able to pick up the phone and be like, dude, I'm on the EdgeX desk. I need 5,000 GME at a 181 max. Done, fine. Let me stick. And dude, they would do that. Now it's too fast with computers, so they have to do it in Morse code. When shares go by and they print shares like they're doing right here, certain numbers mean something. Why would they buy at exactly those many shares at that particular number? It's all communicating. So if you come in here to the time and sales, you want to show everything greater than 100. So we take that off. So the zeros are less than 100 shares. They changed it on the DOS. I guess this is on the best trader one. So that's the level 2 and how you read the level 2, guys. Prague has a big, same thing, even. Tara, big ask right here at 778, 58, but it's pretty equal to 40 and this 10, so it's no signal. PETV, nothing. Now at $3, if there was 110 here, it would be going right there, and that's the signal. Usually at even numbers, there's large numbers. QTRX, nothing in the level 2, telling me a direction of which way it's going. PSTX, it's going to $8.40. I wish the number was larger, but it could go to 840 from 725. Poseida Therapeutics. And it already made a spike this morning past that to 860. 111,000 shares. WISA. WISA's going to 313. Here's your perfect example. It took 9 stocks to scan through, but we found it. This stock is going to $3.13 today. WISA. That's the target right there, guys. See it? 313. From 296 bid. See how that works? Took a couple, but we found one. IMTE, it's got a 34 and a 12, nothing really big. Smiles Direct, I got down here, is a big bid. It's going lower than 627. And there's a penny pincher at 628. Well, just nailed it. See? Exactly as I say it, right? Couldn't be more on the money. And it shows you, look, I'm not going to rush in. I'm not going to rush in at 627. Most people think, listen, I got to buy that 628. There's so many buyers. It's the opposite of human nature. It's the opposite, guys. It's going lower. Now it's 626, 625 penny pincher. See it? Perfect. So Mojo's 2 for 2, reading the level 2 now for entries and direction. So I know which way the bars are going to go on the chart minutes before they even happen. Because if they move to those numbers, the bars reflect that move. So I know the moves on the bars on the chart way before it happens. So the VWAP, the Fibonacci, all the Bollinger, it's irrelevant. That's why 9 out of 10 traders lose, because 9 out of 10 instructors and people trade off charts instead of trading off momentum and volume and price. And that's the way the markets run. If it was different, I would tell you differently. Look at the 775, the 92 on Tara. It's going to 775. See it? The 92 on Tara right here. It's where it's going. So you could save yourself some pain by buying it at 82 because it's going to 75. And that's Tara right there. 781 bid by 782 with a 95 down there. That's how it works. So hopefully the instruction helped you today. Some of my swing picks from yesterday did real well. Proj, which was a swing pick yesterday, did really breaking out right here on PROG for Mojo. Let's see what else is hot. What we got here. Got to move on SQQ back the other way. $8.44. Lonfin time. Gonna do a little trade here, and then we'll just see what's hot, what's not. Okay, so the first thing on the agenda, and that one's going by, is the main squeezers. AMC 3732, GME 181, do a little strengthening up right here at 843. And go right back to 44 right here. Switch with the futures launch. Risk that little half move right there. Doing it right now. Filling. Strengthen back up 43. go 44 squeeze, signal at 45, the 2131. Buying on the bid, anticipation of going through that back on that 44. Filling at 14,770, shorting the NASDAQ futures entry. Let it go right here, filling. Let's see if it strengthens up now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's how we do it, Mojos. That's how we do it, Mojos. That little jiggle of a move right there, dude. The little jiggle made us money right there. The little tiny jiggle right there. Can you believe that? I love that. All right, back into 42, doing it right here. Filled like a villain. See if it strengthens up a little bit again. Goes right back 42, 43. Otherwise, we're out. There we go. Fill. Oh, yeah. Another one, Mojos. Beauty. Morning, gang. Yo, Walt, you in the room? I'll show you how to do that Uniswap thing, bro. So here's the Uniswap interface. You go to uniswap.org and you select a token. You're going to do it with Ethereum. And you search for Emax. And it's right here. Okay? And then what you're going to do is, oh, my wallet's already connected. You got to enter an amount of Ethereum. So let's go 0.015. For $51 of Ethereum, it's loading. We'll give you 22 million Emax. Oh, hold on, just changing. It's going to give you 2,205,000,000. It's going to give you a lot of Emax, okay? And then what you do is you insufficient ACH balance. So what would happen is I would click on that, and then this would come up. Walt had the problem. It says, like me, you don't have enough, right here. You don't have enough Ethereum. It's trying to charge you a minor fee. It says you don't have enough Ethereum to cover the network fee. Deposit 0.03 Ethereum into your wallet and try again. The network fee is between $137 to $183, and you're trying to buy a little bit of Emax. So you're trying to buy $50, it's charging you $175. Not the way to do it. So what you have to do is, you can't do this on Uniswap. You have to come to Bit4X. Let me log in. The link is down below in the description. My affiliate link. And then you log in. It sends me a text. Hold on. What a code. And then you come into Bit4X and you go into the spot right here, into the spot. And you know, investing is very risky, guys, especially crypto, and everybody loses money. Less like trading and stuff, you know, I got to put that disclaimer out all over the place. You know what I'm saying? But dude, this thing could rage, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just got to keep on tapping it down here. Just tap, not a lot. When it dips, tap it. Just tap, 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 tap. All of a sudden, all the volume's going to come in like a wrecking ball. Mojo's going to rage. That baby's going to, you know, rocket on up to the moon. That's what Mojo does. And then eventually, guys, we could be like ringing the register on this baby. So this is a very, very nice one. and let's go over how to do it. So right here, you come in and you go into your assets right there, and you go into your hold and you deposit Ethereum in here. Once you got Ethereum, it's in USDT. You come right over here to USDT. You come over, and SHIB, by the way, is 28, fell down from 31. Ethereum fell. I shorted Bitcoin last night at 58.2, made 1,000 points as of today. Ethereum 3441 was over 3,500. They're both down considerably. BFTD, and by that dip. Baby Dogecoin was up nicely yesterday. Had that one. See that nice move it made yesterday? This is the 30-minute. Let's go to the hour. Move it up nicely on Baby Doge. I don't even have Emacs came off my list somehow. SafeMoon, got SafeMoon buying the dip. I think SafeMoon eventually is going to go again as well. If you look at this is SafeMoon. The first time SafeMoon made a move up was like to a penny up here. It's got a lot of upside, I think, on SafeMoon. It's found the little bottom of creating a U of support. It's got an army, a very large community, just like Shiba Inu does. And these coins move up in ranking and adoption and wallets, and a lot of burning happens. A lot of the devs hold sufficient, so the supply shrinking and shrinking while the coin's small and with a large supply. So when it does get listed on Coinbase and Binance and these other exchanges, that's when they could be taken off, and the foresight of that will pay people like myself and my followers and my subscribers, hopefully 10, 20, 100-fold, 1,000-fold, 10,000-fold, and make some millionaires out of some of these stocks because we got some of them. And these coins, I mean, not stocks. Stocks would never do that. Just the coins. So Emacs is right here. I don't know why it came off my star. Elon did good yesterday too. I mentioned that on yesterday's show. Look what Elon did. See how it's coming up out of this base? This is what SafeMoon could do. Same pattern, see? Right from that bottom green bar, boom, boom. All of a sudden, big bars. Look at this one shot up to yesterday. I didn't see that one. It shot all the way up to here. I think I sold it into this range. Probably after I sold it, it went all the way out and it could have made like 10 grand. Got to be careful of that next time. Here's Emacs. Emacs, same thing. Look at this big spike and another one here. So this thing has a lot of upside potential on the Emacs. Right here. This is when Kardashian and all them other people were involved and pumped it up. So it's got some potential. You know, the celebrities and them things, they're watching it. And here's the level 2 and the order book on it. You got 25 by 25.58 on the ask right now is $153. On the bid, $10. The biggest bid is $1,700 at 224, $2,000 at 235, $5,000 at 24. And you got 25. You got $153, $11, $700, $400, $10, $20, $20. So it's not going to take a lot to send this baby up to 3 cents. Then it can go 4 or 5, even higher. That's what we're looking for. So just put it away. That's how you get it. Forget about the account. Come back in a year and be like, oh, I got some of that. There was in the description below, I did a report on that Emacs. As I was researching it, everything I researched, I put into a nice PowerPoint. I'll show you. I do a lot of work. I sent out also my, here's the Emacs report. I put it in the chat room. I'll put it in the crypto also. So if you open up that, it's a PowerPoint PDF. You got Fury and disclaimer, all for educational purposes, nothing to buy, of course. Fury on his pants, Ethereum Max. He did right on Twitter, thank you Ethereum Max, right on the pants right there. On L Bank, she was involved with it. Kardashian doing some events. It's an event. You want to go to an event? They do events around the coin. This guy's got a ton of money. Floyd Mayweather, ton of friends and influence. I want to get that shirt right there that he's wearing. He's on TV wearing the shirt, man. It's got some hyper diaper, man. Logan Paul and Jake, those guys are in it, man. And then you got Travis Pastrana driving a boat in the powerboat races in it. It's got some potential. There's the chart. It used to be up there at 8 cents. Now it's at like nothing. Many zeros in front of it. So low risk, high reward. It has a 2 quadrillion supply. It's a lot of coins. But half of it are locked up. If the average guy is buying 1 billion coins, there you go. It doesn't take a lot of coin holders to get up to 2 quadrillion. If everyone's getting like, big guys are getting 1 trillion. It's all in retrospect, you know what I'm saying? And that's how you do it, guys. There's my report. What's SQQ at? 44.45. Came right off that 42. T-Cat's going by, speaking about NFTs. There it is. No signals in the level 2. Move on. See how there's no signals? The 19 is not a signal. If it was a 190, you'd know it was going down to 690, but not a 19, guys. NTRB, nothing. 51 by 54. So as soon as the level 2 comes up, I look for the big numbers, 54 and 51. The price I look at next, because I'm looking for the number first and then what price it's at and where it's going to go to. Hope you understand that Pro Trader Fuse, and that was a good lesson for you today. TIPT, nothing, no signals. INBX, nothing, no signals. Tara, 100 on the bid at 783, going lower right there, 783. PLTR, let me check. You understand how we're reading the level 2 now? Can make this into my 3rd level 2 instructional video. I have 2 of them now. This is going to be my 3rd instructional video. So there are no signals in PLTR. If it was a 240 at 20, that was a 240, not a 24, it would be bullish. So this is Caitlin, Pro Trader Fuse. Very excited about the potential. Was doing it all wrong. If you look at our messages, I'm coaching. She says, my biggest trip was seeing that the big number on the bid is bearish and the big number on the ask is bullish. For regular stocks only, I got it. I just randomly put UVXY as the stock. I like MO instead. Is my thinking here, I'm buying and selling and then rebuying accurate. Yes, I know basically what the Heinz is, but I don't think I've gotten to the part of the course where I dig deeper into it. You need to. The logic is big bid is bearish, big ask is bullish. Correct. It's counterintuitive from the way I've always thought. I need to understand the logic. And it's opposite of human nature, just like I told you. The algos are created that way on purpose. They communicate with each other. So now you know. Just like Pro Trader Fuse does. The secrets of the stock market and day trading like a pro. What the pros look at. Now, there's another level called the level 3. The level 3 is an institutional level that's on top of this. See how I could switch to INET and see this? It's like a switch. And they could see right there in between the 62 and the 63. How many dark pool orders are going in between? It's a step above Citadel, Interactive Brokers. All the big clearing firms have that kind of institutional power. The dark pools, they should be illegal. You see the 2359 going? They go in between. The dark pools, like this 2509. Who could trade in between 2050 and 2051? Who can do that? Only the institutionals. Yeah, it ruins the market. I mean, come on, just trade between the 2 pennies, man. Crypto does it. Why can't they do it? You know what I mean? 5 minutes to the open, guys. People get mad when that happens. You know? You just got to have all your systems in place. I want to thank Pro Trader Fuse for the first contribution of Heinz to the chat room. Thank you, Heinzing MO 47. Thank you, Pro Trader Fuse, for the MO right there. Beauty, Heinzing 47. Like a champ. See how good it works? See? Now look at it ripping. Ripping through 47. Look at it. EDGX is a Ameritrade. By the way, EDGX on the bid on both sides. That's TD Ameritrade right here, and E-Trade and stuff. So if you are on Ameritrade and TD Ameritrade and E-Trade and you place an order, it comes up with those market makers first before they switch to ARCA and all the island. The first level goes up right there on EDGX, EDGX. And if you take my courses, which teach you how to trade the level 2, you'll do very, 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 very well. Yeah, they dominate when marijuana and Fed. Absolutely, they will. Gobble up all those other companies like a turkey. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Pecking them up like little pieces of corn on the ground. Peck, 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 peck. Because they will dominate building the conglomerate. Because they're a conglomerate. They're the monopoly. It's like, I'm the board. Come build upon me. Park Place, North Carolina, St. Charles, all over. Picking them up one by one, taking their debt, taking their pain over the years, saying, look, you've suffered so long, Hexo, time for me to gobble you up because I'm MO. Now we got some Mohexo. If you can't beat them, join them. And you get a nice dividend, and it's a great stock company like Potential. There's a lot of good ones, though. They got that one bad thing, though. They got that stigma of Tabasco. They got the stigma, man. Once you got the stigma, new people can come around the block and kick you off. Yeah, I know. Mojo's smart, right? I know all about it. That's the only bad point about him. Yeah, we got some good ones. More Ken Slim stocks. It's not a Ken Slim. You got to find the next MO. the next MO, like we do, like I've done many, many, many times. The next, oh, like XXII. All right, we're open, guys. Is the smoking cessation stock? Check that one out. 290 with a large ask. All right, let's get to the picks. This one's got a 50, 55, but I'm going to pass because it's up too much. Wish, That's got a signal at 50. No, it's a 71 at 20. Hold it 71 at 40, going lower. Yep, told you. Do a first trade on DATS. No signals. Take it through 50. There's the 50 sig right there. Going to take DATS through 50. Risk 10 cents. A big bid at 12.15. Be careful. It flashed for a second. DATS ain't doing nothing. SQQ 48. 49.50. Let's get out of DATS. DATS ain't doing nothing. Palt's moving 860. Palt is moving. Maybe DATS will go with it now. Palt 850, 860. Palt. PALT is moving, and DATS. There's DATS 46, 47, 48. Sold half of DATS. There's 50. Big bid. Big jumped up there. It's going to get hit at 50. Sold 50. Sold 50. I told you it got hit at 50. Went right to 30 on that big bid. See that? Going to edit this video and jump right to that live action right there on that one. I sold some at 50. Let's palt that entry. 840 by 46. Went to 75. Low 810. No signals. Wish got a signal right here. 300 at 99 in Wish for the Heinz 5. Add 99 only. Peppy likes a long. In Peppy with you. Nice, Pep. Nice, Pep. Thank you so much, buddy. $250 trade. Bam. Thank you, Peppy. Thank you, Pep. Waiting for your next one, baby. Wish just Heinz 5, guys. Nice. Palt 53 by 74. Damn big spread. PETV long Heinz 3. PETV long Heinz 3. PETV long Heinz 3. Wish Heinz. Palt's moving a little bit, not really. Nice long on that there, Peppy Stone. Thank you. That was from 55. Ooh, that was a good one, dude. Lanf. Good Lanf. Good launch, dude. Yup. Bam. Great launch, dude. Pepe nailed the first futures trade. I nailed the second one. Pepe got the long. Mojo got the short. Nice. Nice launch, dude, huh? Sexy dog. All right, DATS is doing schnizzle nothing now. Let's go in again, see if it holds the 40. Pault ain't doing nothing. This one's holding PETV. Looking good, 93. 96. Let's switch, see if I can get some more of that. 97, 98, 99. Bye-bye, Heinzer! Look at that beautifulness, dude. Heinz 3, thank you. That's the mojo. That's how mojo works. Thank you. Nice. Pepe, you made $1,500. Awesome job, Pepe. Prague's ticking up a little bit. No, not yet. No Lonfin yet. You did a good one. I waited. Dang. How much Emax as an entry? I don't know. There you go, something like that. Putting $50 now, and if it dips, go for the next 50, 25, and 25, or if it goes up, add $25 and $25. That was a good one, Pepe. Going long now. Nice, good long. Nailed it. $50 bills left and right, boys. I put it in the chat room. Are you in the chat room? Nice long there, huh? Off 47. Nice. DATS is okay now, 44. It's just like holding there. 3 million shares traded on DATS. Look at this one. NXTP 250. See if it goes through. They're hiding it, you could see. Because they only got 600, 400, but a lot of shares are going off. You see that? But there's a signal at 255. Wish is 506 now, new high. New high on Wish, 507. SQQ, 850. Long. Nice long. Right on the money. Right on the money on that long, right off 851. Oh, yeah. Mojo nailed it, dude. Futures trading is much easier and more profitable and less stressful than stock trading. You just pick a direction. When you're right, you let it run and make a bunch of money, and if you're wrong, you cut it and do it again. It's the easiest thing. Easy, easy, pandeezy. What a great long that was, huh? Great long. 851 to 847. That was a good one, dude. You can do it again. See when it stops here on the way up. Did it again right here. Get to that 50-51. Come on. Do it. Nope, don't want to. There's that NXTP. Went right to the signal at 55. I told you. Right to the signal at 55. Level 2 textbook day for MOJO Day Trading. The most educational, best level 2 education you ever seen. That's what MOJO does. Nothing better. Nothing better. That was a good long off 51. Went right to 46. This one moved right up NXTP through that signal at 55. Went right up to it. See that? Big bid though. I'm out. Big bid at 50 to 54. So I'm done with it. It's up 3 days in a row. See it right here? You want to get out. 53, 55. See the big bid at 50? Go and get hit. It disappeared now. AMC's blinking a little bit. Nah, I'm not doing a lawn for here. Just wait a minute. Just made back a whole bunch of cachiche. I want to slow down a little bit. You know what I mean, Pep? Cloves moving new high, 820. Clove may get squeezed today. Moving up every day in a row, 3-4 days in a row right here, into a rail grind on the daily. Looking good. Prague's moving now too, 234. Big signal at 35. I'm in. Look, the 2417. See it? Look. See it? It's, what's the signal? 235. So that's the signal. You want to play in anticipation of going through 235. And it's got the volume, so you're only risking very small. You're in 232. 233. Skittles. I do one more, it's a Skittle. CEI is moving. Mini Heinz 150. Long. CEI 153 long. Big miss on what, SQ? Oh, big spike, huh? Go long here. Long. Another good one. Another 100 beans. big sell-off there, huh? I'm gonna do a trade. Let me open up my thing. Doing a buy. Nice long there, huh? Big long there. Nicely done, boys. Good long off 62. That was some sell-off in the market, huh? CEI's ripping 158. That was a good long. I should have held one little bit longer. Damn. Here it's going again. Nice. Boom. Right off 62, 63. Non-stop to Paris, right? That was a good futures move. Beauty. Come on, CEI. What could you do? What could you do, CEI? Like taking candy from a baby today. PETV's moving. TVO Holdings. Look at this one. PETV, my other one from before. Heinz 3. Right there. High was 3. Now 314. Add, guys. It's going higher. $320 on PETV. Nice job. $320 PETV. New high. Good job, Mojo chat room. New high on PETV. 321. 322. Long coming up on futures. Now. Good one. Another great one. $200 trade right there on the futures. Just that little move from 60 to 58. Record day with the futures. Yeah, record day. Dow's down 19, S&P's up 11, comp's down 5. CEI's moving 159, 159, new high on CEI. PETV's got a signal at 320. Look. A 142. MO new high, Allen in the room. What's up? Great trades. Market's coming back, looking to go long. Great job. Nice. Told you. Told you. Market was coming back. Time to go that long side. Told you, babes. Yeah, babes. No one's better than the Moj. Nice, Moj. Right into the 55 cover. Oh, yeah. Great trade. Great trade. New high on CEI, 159. 159 CEI. New high. Selling half right here into 60. Should get a slowdown. Anyone wants to join MOJO Day Trading, my pleasure. Go ahead. The watch list this morning, super phenomenal. My pleasure. Go ahead. Out the gazoo. Great long with the market firming up right there down to 52 from 60. Super, super impressive. Sold half of CEI. Look at that. Right to 51. Super impressive. LONF. Great LONF. Go right to 52. Great LONF. Great LONF. Woohoo! The LONF side now from 50 weak to 53 strong. MOJO nailed it. It was a good one. PETV. Get out of this one. Nice job on CEI. Hit the top on that one too. That's what MOJO does. All kinds of trading. Swing picks, stock picks, all kinds of. Nice. Any kind of what's it called? My short on Bitcoin last night was amazing. I should have held a little longer. I always do that. Oh, let's see. I wanted to look at, here it is, order history. I sold Bitcoin at 57,154 last night at 7. I sold it. I made shit though compared to where it's at. I'm on the wrong time chart, that's why. Bitcoins are short right now, actually. A little trade. Short Bitcoin over 57,000. See if it dumps below. CEI, what a great dump, huh? What a great sell. Now I'm back in at 152, huh? Oh my gosh. Peppy, $3,710. Nice short on Bitcoin right there, right under 57.1. I'm taking profits. Half. 57.066. 57.051. Nice short on Bitcoin. Just keep it under 57.1 for the rest. Cover at 57.1. See if it dumps under 57. 57.05. 57.04. Covering one more. Holding one. 57.03. Nice, Mojo. Good buy again on CEI. Mojo's trading futures, stocks, and crypto at the same time. Making money on all three with the chat room and my subscribers. Nice timing on CEI right at the high. Big bid 434 going lower. I'll take half of $60. Buy some more at that bid. 153. Ooh, nice short on Bitcoin. I'll cover up the rest above 57. Done. Going back up. Big bid on that 54. See him getting hit. Big bid. 2 million on the bid. That's going through 13 Hines. Look at that. Big bid 44 at 295. Yeah, sure did. So I was trading with this company. When I was right, first they wouldn't let me buy until I ratcheted up the leverage in this crypto account that I was testing. So I ratcheted up the leverage and it finally let me buy or sell and trade. And when I was right, I made money. $100, $50, $150. Correct on the trade, right? Done. But when you're wrong, down $50, down $100, and you cut it, it wipes out your whole account. So some setting or something that I'm doing is wrong, and I've lost twice doing that, and supposedly there's a fix. So I'm not telling nobody how to do none of it until there's a sure fix, because, dude, I ain't doing that shit. Too many whistles and buttons and, you know, trying to figure it out is, if I can't figure it out, the average person definitely can't figure it out. I'm taking this one down, NXTP. Prague is pretty much done and over with. OCGN did hot this morning, really hot. This morning, this thing was up to $9. May switch to trade this through Mini Hines 50. Take some OCGN right here at 44. Isolate and cross. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, whatever it is. Wipe me out when I was wrong. a little bit. And to lose my earnings, dude. So, you know, in stocks, I trade SQ like OCGN right now. If I'm right in it, but if I was wrong, I shouldn't have to lose my, you know, if I'm wrong $20, I lose $20. I don't lose $20 plus $200 comes out of your equity. What the hell is that, dude? What the hell is that? So, dude, I take the brunt of the ballistics for all of you guys, dude. Mojo takes the brunt. Good video today. What time is it? 10 o'clock? All right, I think it's time to end the Mojo show. This will be a good edit. I could get a lot of good trades out of it. This one, OCGN, just went through mini Hines to end the show. CEI's cranking back to 157. Both of these babies are up, and that's how we do it on the Mojo show. So until the next one, guys, peace. Keep it profitable.